Welcome back to ZK Auto Motor. Today, we're exploring something truly unique and powerful, the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a luxury home on wheels, built on one of America's strongest and most reliable truck platforms. Let's take a detailed look at what makes this rolling masterpiece stand out in the world of luxury RVs. Motorhome details. The 2026 Kenworth Motorhome is based on the renowned Kenworth T680 chassis, famous for its durability and performance. It features a PACCAR MX-13 engine that produces up to 510 horsepower and 1,850 pound-feet of torque. That's serious power, more than enough to pull this giant home across mountains, highways, and remote landscapes. It comes with a 12-speed automated transmission, delivering smooth gear shifts and great fuel efficiency for its size. Whether you're planning weekend getaways or full-time travel, this motorhome is built to handle it all, with strength and stability. Exterior. From the outside, the Kenworth Motorhome commands attention. It features a bold front grille, sleek LED headlights, chrome details, and aerodynamic body lines that give it a modern, aggressive look. The full body paint options are stunning, with rich colors and smooth finishes that make it stand out on any road. It includes a powered awning for outdoor shade, exterior speakers, and even an outdoor TV in some models. Massive storage compartments are integrated along the sides, perfect for long trips or family vacations. It's not just a vehicle, it's a bold lifestyle statement. Interior. Step inside and it feels like you've entered a luxury hotel suite. The living room features premium leather sofas, a large LED TV, and a fireplace that adds cozy elegance. The kitchen comes fully equipped with a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, microwave, oven, and custom cabinetry. A beautiful dining area makes mealtime feel like fine dining on the road. The bathroom is spacious with a walk-in shower, high-end sink, and premium fixtures. And the bedroom is pure comfort, with a king-size bed, mood lighting, smart storage, and climate control. Everything inside is designed for luxury, function, and peace of mind. Comfort level. When it comes to comfort, the Kenworth Motorhome delivers an unmatched experience. The air suspension system absorbs bumps and gives a smooth, quiet ride even on long highways. Cabin insulation keeps outside noise and weather away, making every journey peaceful. Dual-zone climate control ensures everyone on board stays comfortable, no matter the season. The driving experience is made easier with a modern dashboard, digital screens, and features like adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and blind spot monitoring. It's built to feel like home, even when you're hundreds of miles from one. Performance. Underneath all the luxury lies serious performance power. The MX-13 engine ensures strong uphill climbs, stable towing, and high reliability over long distances. Kenworth's legendary chassis handles rough roads and tough weather with ease. Disc brakes with ABS, electronic stability control, and a strong suspension system ensure top-level safety. Large fuel and water tanks allow extended travel without frequent stops. Whether you're on highways, in forests, or climbing through mountains, this motorhome is always in control. Conclusion. The 2026 Kenworth Motorhome is more than just a vehicle, it's a dream home that moves with you. It's perfect for adventurers, long-haul travelers, or anyone looking to live the RV lifestyle with class and comfort. With its powerful engine, luxury design, and rock-solid reliability, it's one of the best motorhomes you can own in 2026. Thanks for watching ZK Auto Motor. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing vehicle reviews. See you in the next video.